Keep your carpets spotless anytime, anywhere with the best portable carpet cleaners. Compact, powerful, and easy to use, these cleaners tackle stains, dirt, and pet messes, making home cleaning quick and hassle-free. Starting at number 1. BLACK+DECKER Spillbuster Cleaner. The BLACK+DECKER Spillbuster Cordless Spill Plus Spot Cleaner, BHSB 320JP, is a compact, portable solution for quickly tackling messes on carpets, rugs, and upholstery. Its cordless design and lightweight build make it easy to maneuver around the home, while the powered scrub brush lifts set and stains effectively. The cleaner features a built-in formula dispenser, allowing you to clean spills using specially designed portable machine formulas, and its battery indicator ensures you know how much power is left to finish the job. With a fast-acting vacuum that cleans wet messes in seconds and a dishwasher-safe, easy-to-clean collection bowl, this spot cleaner combines convenience, efficiency, and powerful cleaning in one handy device. Number 2. Hoover CleanSlate Plus Portable. The Hoover CleanSlate Plus Portable Carpet Plus Upholstery Spot Cleaner is a powerful and versatile spot cleaning machine designed to quickly lift spills, stains, and pet messes from carpets, upholstery, stairs, and even car interiors. Its strong suction and included cleaning tools, like the wide path head for larger areas and a tight spot tool for hard-to-reach crevices, make tackling everyday messes easier and more effective. The cleaner features a dual tank system that keeps clean solution and dirty water separate, and a hose rinse tool for easy maintenance after use. With its portable design and long cord, it's a convenient solution for deep-down stain removal and detail cleaning around your home or vehicle, especially when paired with Hoover's cleaning solutions. Number 3. Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. The Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner is a powerful and lightweight carpet cleaning machine designed especially for homes with pets and everyday messes. It delivers 2 times suction power compared with other portable cleaners to pull deep down dirt, stains, and odors from carpets, rugs, upholstery, and stairs with professional-grade effectiveness. A handheld dual-action pet tool with rubberized bristles helps lift pet hair while removing stains and mess, and the portable, compact design with carpet-friendly wheels and a retractable handle makes it easy to roll from room to room or even into your car. With a dual tank system keeping clean and dirty water separate, this spot cleaner makes tackling stubborn spots and spills quick, efficient, and versatile for a wide range of surfaces around your home. Number 4. Hausmeister Spot Cleaner P005C. The Hausmeister Spot Cleaner Pet Stain Eraser Carpet Cleaner P005C is a compact and powerful portable spot cleaner designed to tackle pet stains, embedded dirt, and everyday messes on carpets, upholstery, stairs, and even car interiors. Powered by a 500W motor, it offers strong suction and scrubbing action to help lift spots quickly, and includes extra brushes to assist with deep cleaning. With a dual tank design for clean and dirty water and a long power cord for flexible use, this cleaner makes refreshing fabrics and removing stubborn stains more efficient around the home. It's a handy choice for pet owners and busy households who need targeted stain removal without bulky equipment. Number 5. Sandia Spotter 50 to 1000 Carpet Extractor. The Sandia Spotter 501000 Carpet Extractor is a robust and versatile spot cleaning machine ideal for removing tough stains and deep down dirt from carpets, upholstery, rugs, and vehicle interiors. Featuring a 3-gallon solution and recovery tank and a powerful 2-stage 804W vacuum motor with 100 CFM airflow, it offers strong suction and fast extraction to help surfaces dry quicker after cleaning. The unit's 55 psi pump sprays cleaning solution effectively, while the long 7-foot hoses and 4-inch Clearview tool make it easy to reach tight areas without moving the base unit. Built with a durable rotomolded body and equipped with a slide-out handle and smooth rolling wheels for portability, this extractor blends professional-grade performance with user-friendly design for both residential and commercial spot cleaning tasks.